Hey guys, most of us were phobic to maths and that's why we choose geology, right? But the truth is that the maths will not leave us. So instead of moving away from maths, let's try to move near it by understanding the mathematics, right? So in our today's video, we will try to solve some of the mathematical questions in JAM exam by basic mathematical operation and some basic knowledge in geology. So with the good hope in mathematics, let's get into our today's video. Welcome to my channel Success Guru and myself Panjanadam. So in JAM exam, the mathematical question will be in section C, and this section consists of 30 marks. So if you're thinking about leaving the mathematics, it is very difficult for you to clear JAM, GATE or any other exams. So let's try to understand the question first and try to solve the answer. So the very first question is, they have asked for the weight percentage of copper in chalcopyrite and they are given the atomic weight of the elements in that. So to find out the weight percentage of any individual element, we can divide the individual weight by total weight into 100 percentage. That is a formula for finding out the weight percentage. So in the question they had given the atomic weight of copper, the atomic weight of iron, as well the atomic weight of sulfur, but we have to multiply it with 2 because in the formula it was right CuFeS twice, right? So the total will be 183. Let's substitute in the formula. We will get the answer 34.6 percentage. So just by the mathematical functions like addition, subtraction and division, we did this first question, which is very easy, right? So the second question is that they had asked for the true thickness, and what they have given is they have given the width of the outcrop, that is 20 meter. So this will be the width of the outcrop which is appearing out, and the dip of the bed, that is 30°. And we know that the true thickness will be thickness that is measured perpendicular to the bedding plane. So this is the bedding plane. So wherever the line we draw perpendicular to this bedding plane, that will be true thickness. So for our convenience, we draw a line here which is just parallel to it. So there will be no any difference in this. And you see this will form a right angle triangle. So when there is a right triangle, we can use all the trigonometric functions in this. So if it is a right angle triangle, this side, that is the T side, will be the opposite side, and this side, that is the outcrop side, will be the hypotenuse. And in trigonometry, if you remember, sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. The opposite side we know that is 20 meter. Sorry, opposite side is the thickness of the formation, and hypotenuse we know 20 meter. And we know sine 30 is 1 by 2. So the thing will be 1 by 2 equal to t by 20. So just by cross multiplying, we will get 20 meter equal to 2t. So to get t, we have to divide the 20 by 2. So the answer will be 10 meters. And that is the thickness of the formation. So we found out the true thickness just with the width of the outcrop and the dip of the formation. And the third question is that they have given the grain density and bulk density, and they have asked for the total porosity in percentage. So first of all, we have to understand the question. So the grain density is 2.7 grams per centimeter cube and bulk density is 2.3 grams per centimeter cube, and they ask for the total porosity. The total porosity value is that void density by grain density into 100 percentage. But in the question they have not given the void density. So to find out the void density, we can use this simple formula, that is bulk density is equal to grain density plus void density. And this they have given in the question itself. So we don't have to think a lot, right? So just substitute the values by replacing the statement and substituting the value, we can get the void density. That is 23 minus 2.7, answer is 0.4. And remember, density doesn't have any negative value, so we don't have to mention it minus or plus in front of it. So in this step we had find the void density, and the total porosity is equal to void density by grain density, that is 0.5 by 2.7. And the answer will be 14.8. So the total porosity in percentage is 14.8 percentage for this rock. Is that clear? So in this step, the formula for percentage we know, and this thing they had given in the question itself, so it is very easy to solve, right? And the next question is that they have given a section of some location in which there are two sedimentary rocks and three igneous rocks, and the igneous rocks age have been found out and they have been given, and we have to find out the age gap between the sedimentary rocks. So a volcanic ash bed one that lies below this sandstone should be older than this, right? That is from the laws of stratigraphy. And this thing, this dolerite dike, should be older than this sandstone, right? So let us consider that the age difference between this volcanic ash and the sandstone will be equal to the age difference between this sandstone and this dike. And if you consider like that, the age gap between this intrusion and this volcanic bed should be equal to the age gap between this sandstone and this sandstone, right? So they have given the age of this volcanic ash as 132 million annum and this intrusion as 75 million annum. So by subtracting these two, you will get 57 million years, and that could be the maximum age gap between these two sandstones, right? Because we don't know the actual age of this sandstone, but we can compare it with this adjacent beds, and we had calculated it, right? The other questions will be in the next video, because it takes long time for me to prepare and capture such a video, right? So the part 2 video will be prepared and released as per your interest in this video. That will be seen in this comments and likes, right? So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you think this will be useful for someone else, consider sharing. And if you want to see the complete video and other videos, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.